Hi, I'm Simon Ware, Director of Commercial Products at Sonance. This year, InfoComm 2022, we are showing our brand new Invisible series. Now, Sonance acquired Sound Advance back in the early 2000s, the inventor of invisible loudspeakers. Today, in fact, you'll find our product around the world in Louis Vuitton, Prada, Gucci, Miu Miu, Tom Ford, Barnes of New York, Tiffany's, Dior, Valentino's, Burberry's, all of those classic luxury retail places. Now, with invisible loudspeakers, we always said that while they were completely invisible, they would compromise sonic performance. That is not the case with our new product. Featuring brand new design and brand new driver technologies, including this wideband driver, which has a frequency response of 350 Hz to 30 kHz, and we combine it with the Airflex woofer, we're able to achieve with the IS-80 a frequency response of 40 Hz to 30 kHz at plus or minus 3 dB, and with the IS-60, 50 Hz to 30 kHz at plus or minus 3 dB. We combine this with the flattest response of any Sonance speaker ever made, and also 170 degrees of dispersion. This is not only a completely invisible loudspeaker, it is also the ultimate in sonic performance. Really hard to believe that we'd ever be able to achieve this. Both of these products feature Sonance's laminated core transformer, so 60 watt in the IS-80, 30 watt in the IS-60, as you can see, sealed metal enclosure, screw terminal, tap adjustment on the back, and also UL certification. Now, with most invisible loudspeakers, one of the biggest challenges is installing them and not compromising the sonic performance. We've come up with the answer for that too. Sonance Invisible Series speakers can be covered with up to 1/8 of an inch or 3 millimeters of any flexible material, so things like drywall topping compound, acrylic base Venetian plaster, wood veneer, wallpaper, those sorts of things. But how do you know that the installer's not putting too much material over them? Well, we've come up with quite an ingenious way of overcoming that. We sell this Sonance depth gauge, and behind the face of the speaker on the diaphragm are 4 metal discs embedded in the diaphragm. This kit includes a magnet which allows us to locate that disc once it's installed, and using the depth gauge and the probe, we can determine exactly how much material is on the front. So in other words, if the installer's put on too much material, we just simply say, please sand that back, remeasure it until we get to the final amount that we need. This is a really exciting breakthrough for us, for anyone that wants the ultimate in sonic performance and also the ultimate aesthetic solution. So things like those luxury retail boutiques, luxury restaurants, high roller suites, museums, galleries, corporate reception areas, it is the ultimate audio solution. For more information, go to sonance.com.